What's up, all my Mopit minions? It's time for another installment of the Mopit Minute. Today we're talking about how to reset the battery charging switch. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Listen, I'm a smart guy. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I pulled a straight .40 all through high school. But you know what else is smart? The charging system on these batteries. Today we're going to talk about how to reset that charging system when it trips. If your machine is having issues, like it won't turn on or charge, then the first thing we want to do is reset the battery. You can do this by splitting the machine. Pull the top section off. Set it on the ground. So what you want to do is make sure all your switches are turned off, and then find this guy right here on your battery, open it up, pull out the fuse, and by plugging it back in, that resets the battery charging system. And sometimes it's a little tricky to get in. The next step is to put the top back on. Now we want to test the charger to make sure it is working properly. To do this, you simply plug it into a wall outlet and watch this light. If it turns red, then the charger is working properly. If it turns green like this, it means either the battery is full or the charger is bad. So to test this, you simply turn on the brush motor and watch that light. If the light turns red like that, then it means that the charger is indeed good and working properly. And that's how you do it. Simple as pie. If you need further help, please give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or visit us at mopit.com. Thanks for watching.